welcome back to the channel. The Forsaken Explorer NZ here, and I'm here today with Rebecca, or Urbex, and she has a channel on Instagram. I've decided to come back here to one of my original videos, to the Hamilton Central abandoned underground subway station. I've got better lighting, better camera, and the camera vision will be filmed this way as opposed to that way, as I did it portrait by mistake on my early videos. So anyway, let's get to the Explorer and have a look at all the detail around. Cheers, explorers. There's, turn our light up, as you can see. Plenty of graffiti art here. If we have a look up here, Hamilton Central. So we're on the main platform where you would catch the train here. And we have the old sill where you would sit to wait for the train. There's only one left now. I believe there may have been two last time. So again, not bad. Graffiti art. In this power box here, back in the day you could open it and turn it on, and all these lights up here would come on, but they're all smashed now. People throwing rocks at them from the railway tracks. And if we have a look in here, I thought it was a ticket booth last time I came here. In research I found out this is actually a elevator shaft from the bus station that used to be above. It would go up, but the top has been blown away when they put the warehouse above. This to go all the way up to above, but that is a underground car park there for the warehouse. So it is very dangerous down here. There's a live train track. I have taken a
very large risk
in coming down here, and I would not recommend coming down here alone. Have a watcher at each end with a walkie-talkie to let you know if there's a train coming, if you're going to come in here. Don't come in here alone. Take all the safety precautions. Look at the train schedule details. But I simply would not recommend anybody to come down here at all, as I said in my last video. Yeah, we'll just give you a look around, a bit of a B-roll of some of this graffiti art, tagging, and the actual place itself. So they've been doing some construction work here. Right, there's some tags here. And here. Right, so now we're going to go up the ramp that used to take you up to the bus depot above when it was operated as a station back in the 1980s. Small piece of the handrail still left there. Solid wood. Only the brackets. Oh no, there's actually a piece of handrail here. So when they put the warehouse above, they put these massive piles driven through the roof. They've cut a hole in the roof there. You can see there where they've cut through. You can even see the water running from the water from cutting the concrete. The lights are still above up there. Here's another massive pile holding up the warehouse here. It comes through the roof, and you can see where they're blowing all the concrete out. Put the warehouse above. Got rebar and stuff there, and some more graffiti art. Okay, so we're nearly at the top of the ramp. It used to hang a left A lot of you may have seen the original video. Someone's been lighting a fire here. Some homeless people do reside down here. It used to take a turn and go up a ramp up this way. But now the warehouse is there. This is the top of the elevator shaft we looked up a moment ago. To below. You see all the concrete here. Oh, blowing away. And exposed. And I just heard phantom footsteps. Did you hear those footsteps? Did you hear them? It's talking to.
I can hear something.
I said to them. You just heard. Hopefully we caught that on camera. So we do have a. Just go all the way up. You can actually get down here. I haven't actually come down here before, and it goes up around the corner. Oh, where they've dug out for the warehouse. Another fire here where people have been under here. I guess it may actually be blocked off. You could actually get right up around underneath. Looks like they've closed it in. Looks like just building paper. You could get right up under there. You can see the black line there of the shape where you could go under. Did you hear that sound?
Yeah, I just heard more footsteps, so there's definitely another side as well. Like some kind of machine.
Like metal clanging sound, eh? So we're hearing sounds, but it could be people in the car park. Now, I don't know whether or not we can get up here. There's polystyrene from the boxing from when they did the concrete works. Oh. Oh. Exposed wires there, that looks rather dangerous. You can get up under there. I think it just goes over to the rampway. Well, it's the roof of the ramp there. There's not really much further to see in here. It's not really worth anything jumping down for. It's just old construction site stuff. It's just like what you can see. This column really. So yeah, that's pretty much about all there is to see here, guys and girls. So there is a few sounds and things we've heard. Not sure whether it's the underground car park or something paranormal. My original video, I did capture an orb just in this area up here on camera. It was about here, it went blurry and then an orb come past. Nothing today. So cold and eerie. You see the light at the end of the tunnel there. And that way. Yeah. Hamilton Central Station. And another further sign over here. That one's a bit dilapidated. Hamilton Central. Oh, explorers, that's about all there is to see here. And thought I'd bring you back and show you a 4K version on a GoPro with better lighting. Show you some of the graffiti art and also take another explorer friend down here to have a look. So yeah, if you've seen the original video, it wasn't anything too exciting. It was one of my very first videos. Yeah, please remember, do like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below, and yeah, We'll catch you on another explore. That's all for today, folks. The Second Explorer over and out.
You got this shit knocking.